So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a very interesting site of which you can use to point your cursor using very interesting and funny images. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is you just simply open any of the browser over any platform and here you have to search for pointer.com. Just simply go to this website and hit enter. Now here just simply hold your pointer to one fixed position for still for some seconds and it will point. It says pointer located and pointing, and it will gonna point your mouse using some funny images. You can see it's right there. If I move it from here to here, and now it will find some other images over internet to point my mouse cursor over there, over that location of my system. You can see it's very interesting. You can use it for fun. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.